Please don't have any good plants. I do not need another plant. Please, no good plants. Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. People have been finding so many amazing plants lately. I had to come check it out and see what I could find. So jumping right in, the first thing I see is this crabby pothos. I just did a care video on this. I've had my crabby pothos for a while now and I love it. These the color I noticed online when in videos when I show them, it doesn't show up the same way as it does in person. You can see it a little bit more on this one, but it's really a pretty plant. It has the feel. The leaves look a lot like a Cebu Blue pothos, and they have that same thin feel as well. Now this is a plant that has me baffled. They have it marked, it says marble pothos. I'm like, is this supposed to be a marble queen pothos? I don't think so, because look at how the leaves are fenestrated. Um, they're shaped like the tetrasperma or something like that, or the Baltic blue pothos. But so I'm kind of confused by this one. I couldn't find anything about it online, but it's a beautiful plant. And all the plants over here that I'm showing you are $19.98. So here is, what is this? This looks like an elbow pothos. When elbow pothos were first introduced, they had so much more variegation in them. I have one of the old ones and it has a lot of white. I mean, to the point of even getting half and half leaves. But they just don't seem to have that much variegation anymore. Still a beautiful plant overall. And here's another one of these marbles. I would imagine that this plant would be beginner friendly like most pothos. It's giving you variegation, fenestration, and affordability. What's not to love about this plant? And here we go again with the Monstera Mint. If you saw my last shopping video, it was the first time these turned up. These are $69.98. They are a great size. This shipment just came, so these plants are in excellent condition and just really, really nice looking. Look at the leaves. Look at the fenestration. Not too long ago, you couldn't even get a cutting of this plant for this price, and now you have a whole well-developed plant with fenestrations and all for this for $69.98. Very nice. Moving on, here's a Burl Marks Flame, one of my favorite plants. This is something I had wanted for years. I was so excited when these plants were first being offered, and I bought a juvenile one. And I wasn't happy because it didn't look like a flame. The leaves don't fenestrate like this until the plant is mature. So my advice would be, if you're drawn to this plant for the fenestrations and you're going to want it soon, you may not be happy with the juvenile form because these plants don't grow the fastest. Notice I'm skipping some plants. I don't want to spend time showing you plants that are in every video and that are always here in the big box stores. So I'm going to try to skip to the things that I think you'll be more interested in. And here's a cart of leaf joy plants, and of course some Thai constellations, nicely fenestrated, nice size. These are $45. Pretty much now you can find Thai constellations everywhere, at least in my area. And they have Hoyas. They have some Hoyas that are always in. They get them in every shipment, so I'm skipping over. My last video I showed a lot of those. And look at this. You don't see this all the time, although it's becoming more common. This is a nice size philodendron tortum. These are much larger tortums than were being offered by the other distributor. These are a nice size. They're much bigger. And the asking price is $29.98. This is another one of my favorite plants. I do have a care video out on it if you're hesitant to buy it. It has certainly added some variety to my plant collection. Look down here on the end. This is such a beautiful plant. This is a Schismata glottis. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the ripples in the leaves, the color, the size of the elongated leaves. This is a nice, full, lush plant. It's a new offering from Leaf Joy. Unfortunately, I have no experience with these plants, so I can't share anything like that. But for only $30. That's an excellent deal, and look at all you get for your $30. Beautiful. Well done, Leaf Joy. If I was buying a plant today, it would be that one. Tell me what you would be purchasing that you see in this video. It is certainly an excellent time to be a plant collector. I am so excited. I can't drive past a big box store without stopping to see what's being offered. I'm going to keep moving to see if I see anything else that was not here last time. This is a nice looking little Tradescantia. These small plants are worth looking at, and they're only $5.98. And you can find so many different varieties over here. Perfect for terrariums, perfect starter plants. Some small Tycons for $30. They've been here for a while now. I think what I'll do is go look at the Hoyas to see if there's anything new. And right off top, I see something that I have not seen in here before. Look at this. It's a Hoya loyi. I guess that's how you pronounce that, but I've never seen it before. It's being offered for $29.98. It's part of Leaf Joy's trial collection. I've purchased several plants from their trial collection. They tend to be more hard to find plants, and they may or may not be offered again. I haven't even been able to find them online, so definitely look out for the plants in their trial collection. Look at this Hoya, absolutely beautiful. And again, $30. What a nice way to get some really hard to find plants at a reasonable price. I love it. Keep your eye out for them for the trial collection. Wow, look over here at the size of this orbifolia. It's a calathea, so yeah, some people don't mess with calatheas. I don't a lot, but I do happen to have an orbifolia. But of course, it's not as big and beautiful as this, being offered for only $30. Very nice. These are some really nice large plants. It's getting so, unless I just want a plant in a smaller size, which sometimes I do, I'm hesitant to buy the small ones nowadays because you're ending up finding much larger plants for a really good price, not much more. Look over here, what's hiding with the Monstera deliciosa, hanging out with the rest of the family. Nice Monstera Mint. And we don't have those all the time. Just looked over here and saw this cart of plants, so I want to check it out and see what's over here. There's like carts of plants everywhere, and you have to check them all out because you don't want to miss anything. This is a different looking Scindapsus. Looks a little different. The pattern of the splash on the leaf looks a little different than the Scindapsus I'm used to seeing. And this is another one trial collection, so you might not find it later, for $5.98. So for those of you who collect Scindapsus, here's another one. I used to collect all the different varieties of Scindapsus. I found them to be a little fussy. I got over that quickly, but they're so readily available now. I remember when you could not find a Scindapsus in a big box store. They're so tangled here. I'm trying to untangle so I can show you what the plant looks like. Yeah, the markings look a little different on the leaves that are highly variegated. Yeah, so there you go, $5.98. That's a nice size Scindapsus for the price for sure. Oh, and look over here. This is an El Choco Red, but they're calling it a toasted toffee, but very nice. Haven't seen those in the big box stores. Nice looking plant. Another one that was very hard to find, and they're only asking $20 for this plant. Nice velvety leaves, the red on the back. And here's another one from the trial collection. It's a Hoya macrophylla silver. I've definitely never seen this one, and here's the price, $19.98. That's an excellent price for this plant. I love a plant that has a lot of silver or a lot of splash. Very nice looking. Guys, look, I just looked up when I raised that plant, and there are Doc Blocks up here. Lots and lots of Anthurium Doc Blocks. Let me finish showing you down here. I can't believe I've been sitting here all this time and not seeing those plants up there. Anyway, this is another trial collection plant. It's an Aphelandra sclerosa. known as a whitewash, wild flora whitewash. Beautiful plant. Never seen it before. $20. I've never seen so many trial collection plants at one time in a big box store. So this is great. And I also saw these down here, which is more of the Macrophylla silvers. Very nice looking plants, and I think probably a great deal. If you're a Hoya collector, I'm sure you can appreciate these Hoyas and how hard it is to find them. I've never seen them in a big box store before. And one more plant I want to show you is this one. It is a Homolomina wallisii. Very pretty. Love the coloration. So very nice. $20. Now let's move on to the elephant in the room. I can't believe I almost missed these doc blocks. I have actually missed plants when recording before because I didn't look up. I would have been so upset if I had been editing this video and seen these plants. Look at this doc block Michelle. And these are being offered for $69.98. I happen to have just ordered one online yesterday. They're going for $135, but they have them 50% off. And after shipping and everything, I paid $80, and I don't know what I'm going to get. So I hope they're as nice as these are. I did order from the Leafjoy website. I'll do a comparison video so you can see what it looks like to buy them in store versus buying them online from their website. These are absolutely beautiful plants. Oh my goodness. Now, I know I ordered one, but I think I have to get one. Here's some that are on the other side as well. Oh my goodness, this has certainly been an overwhelming plant shopping trip. I thought after the last one it just couldn't get any better, and I think this time it actually did. I'm in overload. I'm going to allow myself to purchase just one plant from this trip, so I have to figure out what I'm going to get. What would you get if you were in my position? Leave your comments in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well, take care, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe and throw me a hype. Bye-bye.